Here, Emma. Mom, see my toy car. Wow, great job, Tom. Can we play together? I am busy now. Mom, I want cookies.
Of course, sweetie.
Can I have one too?
Only one, Emma.
I want more juice.
I will get it for you.
Mom, I am thirsty too.
Get it yourself.
Emma, clean the table. Okay, Mom. Emma, wash the dishes. I am doing homework.
Do it now, Emma.
Okay. Can I play games?
Yes, honey.
Can Tom help me?
No, let him rest.
That is not fair. Sorry, Emma. Emma, bring my bag. Here you go. Here you go. Emma, clean your brother's room.
Again?
Thanks, Emma. You're welcome. Mom never hugs me. Tom, come shopping with me. Yay! Can I come too? No, stay home. Why are you sad?
Okay.
Mom likes Tom more.
That hurts feelings.
Mom bought me candy. Lucky you.
Emma, fold the clothes.
There are so many. Do not complain.
Okay, Mom.
Mom forgot my school show. That is sad. Emma sang beautifully today.
Thank you.
Mom did not come. I am sorry. Mom came to my soccer game. Mom came to my soccer game.
I know.
Maybe Mom hates me.
No, dear.
Emma, clean the kitchen floor.
I am tired. Please do it quickly. Okay, Mom. I am going outside.
Have fun, sure. Go and play.
Can I go too?
Finish your chores first.
I always do chores.
You work very hard.
Emma, make tea for Grandma. Yes, I will.
Thank you, Emma. You are welcome.
Mom always helps me. I wish she helped me too. My homework is hard.
Ask your teacher tomorrow.
Mom, fix my game, please.
Sure, honey.
That is unfair. But maybe.
Emma, water the plants.
Okay. Emma, take out the trash.
Right now?
Yes, right now.
Okay, Mom. Can we watch cartoons?
Of course. Can I watch too? After your work. I will stop asking, Mom. Emma, bring my phone charger. Here it is. Emma, help cook dinner. I am coming.
Emma does everything. She is responsible. Tom should help too. He is still little.
I am little too.
You are right.
Mom never says thank you.
I noticed that.
I feel lonely. Meow! Emma, clean the stairs.
Okay, clean. Oh no! What happened? My ankle hurts badly. I don't know what to do.
Stay calm, Mom.
Emma?
I will help you.
Thank you.
Tom, get some ice.
I don't know. Take it yourself.
I will do it myself.
You are so brave. Here is the ice pack. That feels better.
I also called Grandma.
Good thinking. Emma helped very fast. She really did.
I was too scared.
It is okay. Emma, I am sorry.
For what?
I treated you unfairly. I just wanted love. I love you very much. I love you too, Mom. From now on, both of you are equal. We are a happy family now.